Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving deep into the world of funnel building. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding how to build effective sales funnels is crucial for driving growth and maximizing sales. In this video, we'll explore the importance of sales funnels, the key components that make up a successful funnel, and step-by-step instructions for creating one from scratch. By the end of this video, I'll be offering you a free organic products funnel template built on System.io that includes a sales page, order page, and thank you page. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing funnel, you'll find valuable insights and practical tips to help you succeed. Understanding the sales funnel. Before we dive into building a sales funnel, let's first understand what a sales funnel is and why it's important for your business. A sales funnel is a marketing framework that guides potential customers through a series of steps, from initial awareness to making a purchase. It's called a funnel because, like a funnel, it narrows down and filters out leads as they progress through each stage. There are typically 4 stages in a sales funnel: awareness, interest, decision, and action. At each stage, your goal is to engage and nurture leads, ultimately guiding them towards making a purchase. Key components of a sales funnel. Now that we understand the concept of a sales funnel, let's explore the key components that make up a successful funnel. A sales funnel consists of several components, including lead magnet, landing page, email sequence, and sales page. Each component plays a crucial role in attracting, engaging, and converting leads into customers. Your lead magnet is the incentive you offer to attract prospects into your funnel, such as a free ebook, webinar, or checklist. The landing page is where you capture leads' information in exchange for the lead magnet. The email sequence nurtures leads and builds trust over time, while the sales page persuades leads to take action and make a purchase. Step-by-step guide to building a sales funnel. Now that we know the key components of a sales funnel, let's walk through the step-by-step process of building one from scratch. Step 1. Define your target audience. Start by identifying your ideal customer persona and understanding their needs, pain points, and preferences. Step 2. Create a compelling lead magnet. Develop a valuable and relevant lead magnet that addresses your audience's specific challenges or interests. Step 3. Design your landing page. Use a user-friendly tool like System.io to create a visually appealing landing page that effectively captures leads' information. Step 4. Set up your email sequence. Create a series of automated emails that provide value, build trust, and encourage leads to take the next step in your funnel. Step 5. Drive traffic to your funnel. Implement various traffic generation strategies such as content marketing, social media advertising, and search engine optimization to attract qualified leads to your funnel. As a special bonus, I'm offering you a free funnel template specifically designed for selling organic products. This template, built on System.io, includes a sales page, an order page, and a thank you page. To download your free template, simply click the link in the description below. And there you have it, your complete guide to building a sales funnel from start to finish. By understanding the importance of sales funnels, mastering the key components, and following a step-by-step process, you can create highly effective funnels that drive results for your business. Remember, building a sales funnel is an ongoing process of testing, optimizing, and refining. So don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments along the way. With dedication and persistence, you'll be able to create funnels that consistently generate leads and sales for your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on marketing and entrepreneurship. And don't forget to download your free organic funnel template in the description below. Until next time, happy funnel building!